Okay, here she is. She's getting picked up in a little while, so I'll take you for a walk around. So Rick did quarters, trunk floor, inner fenders. What else did he do? There was a bunch of work, metal work that he did on it. Then of course it went to Sean for body work. And then Jared, our lovely painter, painted her a few nights ago. So there she is. It's going to go back home for a little while. Hopefully the owner will bring it back to us for finishing her. But for now, she's going home. Look at that. Can you stand it? This was cool. I had to put those on this morning. So fun. But yeah, she's pretty. So there she is. I hope the owner is impressed when he comes to get her today. Never did come up with a name for her, but anyway. Take you around the back here. There she is. Look at that paint shining in the sunshine. Okay, I guess that's enough. There's no crying in the shop, so I gotta turn this off before anybody... I have actual record of me crying when this car leaves. Anyway, there she is. Another one by Old Time Garage and all the crew here. Thanks to everybody that helped. And yeah, hopefully we'll be able to do a finished video on her when she comes back for all the finishing stuff. But for now, she's gonna go home and she's gonna be loved there. It's always a good time at Old Time, especially when you're working on a 70 Charger.